Of course, first step is to rip out all the interior and get the van ready for isolation.
Jawohl, jawohl. Ah, mit Gewalt geht alles. Jawohl.
Those hooks where the interior side panels were clipped into needed to go. Cutting them off instead of drilling out the rivets, as I don't want to damage the car's body. I want to keep the single rear seat later on, so the right seat belt stays. Next episode will be isolating the walls and setting up a proper base plate. See you then, cheers!